In this video, we are going to see how we can disable or turn off the memory saver option on Brave browser. So although it makes Brave browser faster, but let's say that you want to run the processes in the backgrounds on the tabs that you are not using. So in that case, if you have the memory saver turned on, it will automatically make the other tabs inactive until you use them. So if you want to disable that feature, just go to the right hand corner on the three lines and click on the settings, and on the left hand side we want to search for system. Here it is. If you scroll down a little bit, you can easily find that, and here again scroll down a little bit and we are in the memory section. You can read through all of these details, but obviously you already know this because you have turned it on before, but still maybe some other person have turned it on. So you want to turn this off from here, and that's how you do it. Just click on any other tab and go to the system again to make sure that these settings are saved, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.